Welcome back. Y'all, look how cute these Halloween cake pans are. The little skeleton little pumpkin that I found at Ross. They were only like $6, y'all. So cute. Today we are making chocolate cake with vanilla icing. Here's some of our little ingredients. We got orange food coloring for our frosting. Can't do Halloween without orange. I think we're going to do our pumpkin cake pan today, y'all. Got the oven preheated 350. Let's get started on these ingredients. And y'all, I'm a little sick, so that's why you hear my voice with a little cough. I apologize. So we are taking 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, we're going to be taking 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half of a teaspoon of salt, then we are going to be adding 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, and 1 cup of baking cocoa powder. And you can just sift all 3 of these together. And whisk our dry ingredients together. Now time for our wet ingredients. We are taking 1 cup of buttermilk, a half of a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of hot water. Make sure it's hot, y'all. And 2 eggs. Now get to whisking your wet ingredients together. Now add that wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and whisk everything. And look at that chocolate. Y'all don't worry about it being watery. It's still going to bake perfectly fine. Because remember, we did add water to this ingredients. But it's okay. So we have our pumpkin pan. We're just going to lightly spray it with Pam. Just lightly, y'all. Lightly. Because Pam been acting up lately. I ain't been liking her too much. But we're going to fill our pan about halfway to about the eyes to give you some sense of when to stop. Then we're going to put it in our 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And while our pretty pumpkin is baking, let's move on to our vanilla buttercream icing. We are taking 1 stick of unsalted butter. I prefer salted, but all I had was unsalted in the fridge. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to be taking 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. See, I poured a little too much, y'all. Should have just gone ahead and dropped the 2 in there. Because, you know, we love vanilla. Give that a little mix. We're going to be adding just a dash of salt. And we'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Just give that little creaminess to our frosting. Okay, y'all, and add about 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, which is about half of the bag. And perfect, that's exactly what I had in my cabinet. A half a bag of confectioner's sugar. And be careful because you know it's going to be flying everywhere in your mixer. So make sure you add in there slowly. All right, y'all, time to add our pretty orange food coloring. I'll probably be adding majority of this bottle because we know food coloring be acting up. They don't want to give us our color. But we want a nice orange. It's still going to be probably light and pastel. But we're going to do our best to get it as dark as possible with this food coloring. So keep pouring, y'all, until it looks orangey orange, like a pumpkin. And keep on mixing. Make sure you stop in between to scrape down some of that food coloring from the side and some of that powdered sugar. That way we make sure everybody is well combined. And as you can see, some of that food coloring is sticking to our little whisk. Go ahead and scrape that off, y'all. We don't want no half food colored frosting. And just keep mixing until it's a desired consistency. So let's take out our chocolate pumpkin cake. Ooh, look how moist our chocolate is. So cute. So cute. I love Halloween, y'all. It's my favorite holiday. Can't live without it. I love a good October vibe. It makes me want to cry. This pan is perfect. Y'all, let's get to frosting this baby. And it's going to take some time because, you know, frosting a little cake with some angles is a little tough. But we're just going to make it work. And to make it easy, just do the whole pan. Cover the eyes, the nose, the mouth until you're able to kind of scrape all that off in the end. So just keep adding your little frosting, y'all. Okay, y'all, once you've added your frosting, just take a paper towel and try to wipe those areas off. Y'all, tell me why I forgot to wipe off the nose. After I made this video, I realized, OMG, I know my pumpkin looked funny. It didn't have its nose. Don't be like me, y'all. Be better than me. But it was still cute without the nose. But we can't have the pumpkin without the nose. Well, y'all, look at this cute decor. My friend got me this pretty orange garland, Halloween style. You know, we got to add our new Eat marquee. Just to remind y'all to have a good time with your food. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And y'all, happy Halloween. I hope you enjoy this year's October. I will see you guys next time. Bye.